Hello partners. With trusted partners like HDFC, Axis and IDFC FIRST Bank, providing the perfect solution for every client is now simple. We are excited to introduce a brand new feature that lets you recommend the best credit cards to your clients. Simply log into Choice Connect website, choiceconnect.in. On your Connect Welcome dashboard, click on Referral link. Then open the credit card tab and select Copy link. Here you can enter your client's mobile number and an SMS will be sent, or you may add the lead yourself.
To get the client's credit card recommendations, fill the form with their first name, last name, mobile number, PAN number, date of birth, and PIN code. Select occupation and enter client's monthly income. After clicking on Submit, enter the OTP that was sent to your client's mobile number and click on Verify OTP. In the Recommended Card section, you will see top recommended credit cards for your clients based on their profiles, which you can suggest your clients. You can also see credit cards by credit card category depending on their needs, such as lifetime free, UPI, or lifestyle. In the card type section, you will get 4 options: Signature, Premium, Elite, and Classic. These will be visible as per the client's profile. You can also filter cards by bank name, such as Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, or HDFC Bank, or search for a specific credit card. In the All Cards section, you will find the complete list of credit cards. To know more details of any card, simply click on Know More. One of the most useful features is comparing cards, where you can compare up to 3 credit cards at once and decide which one suits the best as per your client's needs. You can see welcome benefits, key features, other benefits of all 3 cards on a single screen. Once the client selects their preferred card, click Apply Now. You will then be redirected to the bank's page. You can also apply for more than 1 credit card on Choice Connect without entering client details again. On the top right of your screen, you can see all the credit cards you have applied for. Just click on View All to see all your pending applications. Next, you can either click on Continue or Share and forward it to your clients. If you want to explore more cards, click on Find More Cards. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring today, add leads on behalf of your clients, and earn commission. With Choice Connect, credit card recommendations are now smarter, simpler, and far more rewarding.